Today's video is for the little ones. A baby lotion that you can trust. With butter, coconut and oils so pure. For baby soft skin, it's the perfect cure. Melt it, mix it, watch it glow. Gentle care from head to toe. And a pH test to be doubly sure. Let's make something as pure as their smiles. A lotion so gentle, soft and light. Alright, our first ingredient is cocoa butter, and for an extra dose of gentleness, we have sweet almond oil. Here comes coconut oil. Next up is shea butter, the ultimate skin smoother. Finally, we have vitamin E oil. Make sure the oil you're using is pure and free from any additives. Now, let's start the recipe by taking 2 tablespoons of shea butter, followed by 2 tablespoons of cocoa butter. Then add 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. If you have extra virgin coconut oil at home, that's an even better option because it's less processed. Now it's the turn for 1 tablespoon of sweet almond oil. Now, using the double boiling method, let's gently melt our butters and oils together. This technique ensures even melting without overheating, preserving all the nourishing goodness of the ingredients. Finally, let's add 6 to 7 drops of vitamin E oil. This powerhouse ingredient deeply nourishes the skin while working as a natural preservative to keep our lotion fresh and effective. Give it a good mix. Now friends, it's time to whip. Use a hand mixer for a fluffy texture or mix vigorously by hand if needed. It works just as well. Look at this dreamy whipped magic. The lotion is so creamy and smooth, it falls like a soft cloud. It feels like pure luxury for your baby's delicate skin. Let's store this pure bliss in a jar. As I fill this adorable baby lotion jar, look at how effortlessly the creamy lotion falls into place, like pouring a bottle of love and care. This lotion is packed with nature's best ingredients, offering hydration, nourishment, and a touch of magic for your little one's delicate skin. It's gentle, soothing, and perfect for everyday pampering. Now, let's take a closer look at the pH value of this lotion. I have used a litmus paper test to check the pH of our lotion. This handy tool comes with a range of colors to help detect whether the lotion is acidic, basic, or perfectly balanced. Let's match the color and find out how gentle it is for baby's skin. Just pour a small amount of the lotion onto the paper. Allow it to dry for about 10 seconds and here's the result. The paper hasn't changed color significantly. It's almost the same, indicating a pH value of around 6. This means the lotion is slightly acidic, which is perfect for maintaining your baby's skin barrier and keeping it healthy and protected. To show you how the litmus paper works, I am adding a drop of lemon juice. See how the paper turns red. This indicates a high level of acidity, proving the tool effectively detects pH changes. Let's talk about why natural baby lotion is the best choice for your little one. Your baby's skin is delicate and sensitive, absorbing everything you put on it. That's why opting for a natural DIY baby lotion is so important, with no harsh chemicals or unnecessary additives. First we have used in our DIY is Shea Butter. This rich, creamy base is known for its deep moisturizing properties. Packed with vitamins A and E, it helps to soothe dry skin. Its silky texture leaves your skin feeling soft, hydrated, and protected all day long. Next, we have used cocoa butter, a creamy ingredient that does wonders for your baby's skin. Derived from the cocoa bean, this antioxidant-rich butter is one of the nature's best moisturizers, locking in hydration to keep your baby's delicate skin soft and smooth. Let's talk about why coconut oil and sweet almond oil are such amazing choices for your baby's delicate skin. First, coconut oil. It's like a natural protector. It deeply hydrates and nourishes the skin, which is so important for babies since their skin is thinner and more prone to dryness. Now, sweet almond oil is just as wonderful. It's super gentle and hypoallergenic, making it perfect for sensitive baby skin. It's packed with vitamins like A and E, which help nourish and heal the skin. So friends, creating your own DIY baby lotion with natural ingredients is a simple yet powerful way to care for your baby's delicate skin. By using natural ingredients, you are not just making lotion, you are creating a safe, gentle, and effective skincare solution tailored to your baby's unique needs. So friends, why settle for store-bought lotions when you can make one that's 100% natural, gentle, and effective? Hope you have liked this video. Until we meet next time, take a very good care of yourselves and stay radiant.